Good Friday, everyone. I wanted to do something a little different to hopefully, brighten up your day or something, and then maybe elicit some responses from you. What do you like to do? You're in class, you're doing good work, you're doing what you're supposed to do. It's Friday. I know you're probably headed out. You might not even see this till Monday, but what's your thing that you love to do? Me? Right now, it's Seahawks. In my house, it is all about Seahawks. It is our year. Love the football season. Sad it's coming to an end, but what a great year we've had. So in my house, you will find lots of Seahawks paraphernalia. Inside, outside. You can see the flag out there. Again, all you have to do is take a little walk around my house, and I have my arm in a sling because I had surgery. There's my sling, Seahawks. I'll take you to my man cave even to show you that I'm not all cut and dry, boring instructor, because I know sometimes in the online world especially, you can have this thought, all my hear from my instructors have this boring class stuff. Here it is. Seahawks, 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 Seahawks. Can you tell? Can you tell I love the Hawks? You know why? Because we've waited so long for this. Again, we had our chance a few years ago, but we're back and this is our year. So reply to this with maybe your own video and what's your passion right now in your life. My other passions? Family. I'm huge on family. My dog, Chiba, she's been following me around. She follows me everywhere. If you get a German Shepherd, you have your very own personal Cheeps stalker. Yay! And you can't have them arrested for it because it's what they do. And we have Daisy too. I'm going to shut up here in a second. There's Daisy. There's Daisy. And the cat, well, who knows? So, there you go. Have a great weekend. Take some time off if you can, if you've already submitted work before due dates, blah, 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 blah. Bye.